everyone, I'm Olivia Culpo and this is my morning routine. So every morning I start out the day with celery juice because I find it to be very hydrating. After that, I wash my face, which I already did. I usually clip my hair back with this cool, fun, slip hair headband thing. And then I wash my face with Shani Darden cleansing serum, or sometimes 2 or 3 times a week, I'll use the Dr. Sturm enzyme cleanser. Next, I will wake myself up with this Bioderma gel contour, and I just put this right under my eyes, and I'll usually just keep this on while I'm doing something around the house, like making my bed or a drink or something, coffee, because it really, really wakes up the eyes. And then I just rub that in. After that, I will use my IS Clinical Pro Heal drops. I am obsessed with these. Basically a highly concentrated vitamin C, which is really important for protecting the skin throughout the day and also helping to rebuild collagen and whatnot. Vitamin C is something that I'm learning is very important for the skin. It's important to let that really settle in. So while I'm waiting, I'm going to use my Lumify eye drops. Another product I recently discovered. After eye drops, I move on to under eye cream. This is Dr. Sturm. It's very light, very absorbent. I finish off with my 111 Skin Y Theorem Repair Serum. This is a collagen building serum, and I try to stay away from a lot of heavy serums for during the day. Very hydrating. After that, I will usually use some sort of an SPF, but since I'm doing my everyday look, I actually use a tinted moisturizer with an SPF, so I would usually use the Tatcha SPF. So I'm using the Tatcha water cream instead for today. So that's pretty much my skincare routine for the morning, and then let's move on to makeup. So to prep the face lately before makeup, I've been using this Dior Perfect Skin Creator. And for whatever reason, I just decided that I would start mixing this with Becca Cosmetics. It's a shimmering skin perfector. I think you're supposed to combine this with foundation. I'm not really sure, but I've just loved the way that this makes the skin super dewy. And it creates this really, really nice dewy effect that I love. Today I'm using tinted moisturizer. This is the Laura Mercier Illuminating Tinted Moisturizer, and I use Radiance and Tawny. I'll combine the two. And then I usually just use a beauty blender to put this on, but you can also use your finger. Really anything goes. Okay, so I feel like we are at a good place with this, and I'm going to go in with the Culpo Almond Concealer. I love this concealer. This is just to kind of touch up some of these spots that have a little bit more pigment. Next, we are moving on to lip, and I love this Whirl Lip by MAC. Next, I'm going to curl my eyelashes. This is another, like, I have to do this every single day. If I don't, just don't feel like myself. I feel like it really opens up the eyes. I'm gonna go in with my bronzer, which I use this Chanel Soleil Town. And I use this huge brush, but you can definitely use a beauty blender for this. It's cream-based, sort of, so I think either would work. But this is really just to match my body with my face. And I think that this one looks very natural. And another trick that I do with this product is I use this as an eyeshadow as well. I'll just use a eyeshadow brush and I'll just put it on the contour of the eyes. Final step is, well, almost final step is a blush, which I don't always wear a blush, but why not? This is NARS Orgasm. I love this color. It's been a classic for me since high school, which is crazy. And oh, one more thing that I do usually every day because I've been obsessed with this is the Louis Vuitton California Dream perfume. And I don't know, but when I smelled it, I feel good. So there you guys have it. That is my morning routine. Thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.